second. Yesterday, right before the sun went down, I thought I saw something shiny through the trees. Riddle! Well, guess what? Today's the day we finally find out what it is. Are you ready? Let's go!
Let's make today amazing friends. Our letter trail is near its end. Follow me, let's go. Let's see what's waiting at the end for me.
Okay, team. Before we continue, let's remember what we learned yesterday. Echo, Nibbles, help me say them fast. Ha! Say them fast.
A, B, C, D, E, say it with me. F, G, H, I, J, that's the way. K, L, M, we know so much.
Now let's go and find that treasure and such. We remembered every single one. If you're right, is a one ever about as Preschool fits. Of course we did. I collect letters, remember? Come out. Here's the letter N, N, N. Nest and noodle, count to 10. Say it with me. N says N's, nen. N says N. 14 letters, woohoo! Here's the letter O, octopus and orange squash, it grow. O says ah, say it with me. O says ah. O says eh. Wait. That's not right, is it? Oops, Echo, you mixed it up again. Friends, can you help him? What does O really say? Oh! O says ah. Thank you, friends. You always catch me. Thank you, friends. You always catch. Here's the letter P. Pumpkin, puppy, follow me. P says poo. P says poo. Say it with me. P says poo. P is for pumpkin, my favorite shiny orange thing. Well, second favorite, after letters. N-O-P! Keep the trail going. Every letter sound is showing. We're so close. I feel it now, almost to the treasure. Wow! Wait. Friends, is it a letter O? Or is it just a real pumpkin? Look closely. Yep, it's a real pum-pum. Ha! I got tricked by my own favorite letter shape. Classic Nibbles. Here's the letter Q. Queen and quilt and quiet too. Shh. Q says qua. Q says qua. Say it with me. Q says qua. Q says qua. Q says qua. Tricky letter, but we trick winner. But we do it too. Here's the letter R. Rainbow rabbit, near and far. R says brrr. R says brrr. Say it with me.
R says rrr.
Rabbit. Rainbow. I love this one.
Here's the letter S. S, S, sun and star. Now can you guess? S says S, S, S. Say it with me. S.
S says S. S says S. Snaky sound, just like this.
N-O-P, keep the trail going. Every letter sound is showing. We're so close, I feel it now.
Deeper, feel it way,
Yeah! Almost to the treasure. Whoa!
Uh-oh, rain! The map might get wet, and the letters could wash away. Quick, Nibbles, do you have somewhere dry we can shelter? Mewkin? Me! My tree! Follow me! Follow me! This way!
Phew! Thanks, Nibbles. That was close.
See? I'm not just good at taking shiny things. I'm good at keeping friends safe, too. You really are, Nibbles. Team Meloni wouldn't be the same without you. While we wait for the rain to pass, let's practice a few more letters. That'll keep us busy. Here's the letter T, T, T. Tiger, turtle, come with me. T says ta, T says ta. Say it with me. T says two. Two. T says two. 20 letters, me and you. Here's the letter U, U, U. Umbrella's perfect, right on cue. U says U says Say it with me. U says U is for umbrella. Good thing we found shelter. Huh? Here's the letter V, V, V. Violin and volcano, look and see. V says voo, voo. V says voo. Say it with me. V says voo, voo, voo. V says vavo. V says vavo. 22 letters, look at you.
T, U, V, the rain is stopping. Our letter trail is nearly topping. Almost there, don't you fret. The best surprise is coming yet.
Look, friends, the rain stopped and there's a rainbow. It curves just like a C or a U. Great eyes, everybody. One last gate, and it has a riddle written on it. It says, I come after V, I come before X, say my sound to pass through. Ooh, I know this one. It's W. Let's all say it together, friends.
Dow!
W says wah. It's opening. Just a few more letters to go. Here's the letter W. Watermelon. Wagon. W says woo. W says woo. Almost there. Just 3 more letters if you dare.
Here's the letter X, X, X. X-ray shows what's hiding next. X says kex, X says kex. Say it with me. X says kex.
X is a funny one, isn't it?
Yeah!
Y says you. Say it with me. Let's say you together. Y says you. Y says you. Huh? 1 letter left. My heart is pounding in my chest. And here's the letter Z, Z, Z. Zebra, zigzag, count with me. Z says zoos, Z says zoos. Say it with me. Z says zoos, Z. And here's the letter Z, Z, Z. Zebra, zigzag, count with me. Z says zoos, Z says zoos. Say it with me. Z says Z. We did it! A to Z! We did it! A to Z! Friends, look, it's a treasure chest. Open it, open it, open it!
Oh, it's not gold or jewels. It's a golden scroll.
The alphabet song, written just for you.
Huh, not shiny gold. But actually, this feels like a really good treasure. We got to sing and solve riddles and be together.
You're growing as a person, Nibbles. Don't get used to it. I still love shiny things. But friends are pretty great too.
Let's sing the Treasure Scrolls song together, all the way from A to Z.